Hi guys, so hope all your exams went well. तो I know कि ये chilling time है, relaxing time है, especially अगर आपने बहुत time से आप लोग पढ़ रहे थे, exams अभी खत्म हुए हैं. But guys, the success mantra in actuarial career is that you should not leave your studies at any point of time, because अब जो हमारी upcoming diet है, that is basically September 2023 diet, इसमें हमारे पास बहुत limited time होता है. So it's almost end of April, and if you wait till next month to start for your preparation for your next exam, or you wait for results to start your preparation, that does not make sense, because जब तक result आएगा तब तक आपके पास already time बहुत कम बचा होगा, and it's like waste of your time if you are waiting till result. So just check on how you have performed in your current exam, basically the exam that you gave. So if you are 50% sure, I would say more than 50% sure कि exam निकल जाएगा, तो pick another exam. अगर आप less than 50% sure हो कि I'm say 40% sure, 30% sure कि पता नहीं exam निकलेगा नहीं निकलेगा, I don't know what I have done, I am not sure with the content what I have written in the exam, तो I would say कि start preparing for the same exam again. So the point is that you should not waste your attempt. Either start preparing for the same exam if you are less than 50% sure, and if you are more than 50% sure, make sure to pick another exam. Now which exam to pick, do not get confused in that. Connect with our counselors. Thank you.